Hello, everybody. My name is Dima Rodemko. I'm the founder of SaaS Founders Community. I help founders of software development companies to create a consistent flow of sales opportunities. And today I'd like to talk about the following topic: what instruments to use to find clients that are ready to buy right now. Actually, when people are ready to buy, they express it in our digital era in two ways. They post certain messages in the social networks, like they're saying, okay, could you advise me a person or company who can help me with a certain type of question, something like that, or what is the average pricing or whatever, etc., which is a good indicator of intention. And the second option is to track their the potential clients' search requests. But let us go in details. Let us start from the first point. So there are a lot of services that help you to track and to monitor certain topics and keywords. How does it work? There are certain spiders that create big databases, and they look for the certain phrases and keywords that indicate certain interests. For example, if the person writes somewhere in the Twitter, Facebook, YouTube comments, whatever, something like, yeah, I would like to implement a CRM system, ERP system, whatever, I would like to create a website, you can track these certain phrases. And when this phrase appears, when they appear on the net, in the Web 2, somewhere in the networks, you've got the message, you got the notification that, hey, here's the person that wants to buy, would like to know more about that, and you can come to the thread and use it properly to close this person for a conversation or whatever, demo or whatever. Yeah, there are plenty of them. I use the Vario for that. There are some advantages because they can monitor for quite a moderate, quite acceptable sum of money. They can monitor different topics, and they got a lot of mentions and suggestions. But you have to be very careful with the settings, because if you ask, let's say, how to find a website developer or whatever, if you ask for a very general prompt or for a very general search, you'll get a ton of notification for new articles, new comments indicating the right words. So you have to be very, very, very clear and very exact with the phrases, like buying website, ordering website, something like that, right? So it's option number one. You can try it, use it with the Avario or any other tool that can do that. But also, there is another very interesting technology that works on principally another technical scheme. What do I mean? When we would like to buy something, we start tracking this information. We start look for information about that, like, okay, how much does it cost to create a website? Or how long will it take to implement the CRM or ERP system, whatever, in the financial market, whatever, right? So, and when we're looking for this information, it indicates certain intention. We do it in certain purpose, right? We like to discover it more because we're interested. So, and what's the technology here? There are some companies that buy the search logs from the internet providers, where they have the IP, where they have the search phrase and the time, etc. Then they work with these big logs, and they try to understand let's say they try to identify who are the owners of this IP address, and if the owner is a company, they create a certain sequence. Okay, we understand that this company is looking, this let's say IP is looking for all this number of IPs that are connected to a company, is looking for an IP ERP system solution. It means that this company is looking for something like that, right? So even at the COVID time, when everybody worked at home, they gathered this data because they got some intentions how to do that. So I think I'm not absolutely 100% sure that it's absolutely wide scheme, but they have certain algorithms that try to track all these things and match things together. So they give us, let's say, the companies who are interested in certain, let's say, search requests, and we can, it's the first step, I will show how it works. So we are looking for companies, for example, who are in United States, right? United States, who are, for example, in a financial industry. Yeah, they are in a finance, they work in a financial, or they work in, let's say, financial sphere, financial services, right? Personal financial services, exchanges. Yeah, we can track a lot of them. We can use even not industry, but industry groups to make it easier. It will be like financial services, right? And we need companies of a certain size. So, for example, we are looking for a company starting from 11,250, right? And we are looking for companies who are interested in, let me check. Yeah, here. Who are interested in a certain, let's say, topic category. For example, they are looking for software development, right? Software development, right? And we look for these companies, and here we go. We've got certain amount. Yeah, we have 13,000 of companies that are located in the United States that are in the financial services vertical, with a certain amount of people who are looking for a software development services right now. Okay, does it look interesting for you? That's really great. Also, we can narrow down this search with a certain topic, because software development is a little bit, it can be a little bit wide. Yeah, so for example, let us look for companies who are the same type, the same vertical, who are looking for ERP system or ERP solution, right? Which can be the right SAP, we have it already, integrated SAP or ERP cloud, and different types of that, right? So here we go, and now we have 54 results, 54 companies that are looking for ERP solutions in our vertical right now. So what is the next step? We export this to CSV. We use these names, and we use LinkedIn to create a right search request. So what do I mean? So we use the names of the companies, and we're looking for people responsible for the ERP implementation and integration. It can be IT director or CTO from one side, or it can be internal client like chief financial officer, chief operating officer, CEO, founder, etc. So, and we can use different approaches to go to these people and to talk with them about ERP. Okay, you're looking for ERP? Here we go. Of course, we are not talking directly. Hello, guys, we saw you're looking for ERP. No, it's not working like that, because how do you know? Are you spying on us? No, that's not good. No, we are telling them, okay, we are specialized in ERP system in case you need, blah, blah, blah. So all these talks, etc. And this can give you good leads, because if they create a lot of search requests like that, it means they're interested. If they're interested, you can be a good source of information first, and then you can become a good service provider for them, right? So if you are looking for contacts that are ready to buy right now, you have tools like social media monitoring or like intention-based, let's say, databases. But it's only one point. Even if you find in a second, if you find a person with $1 million in the pocket who are looking for your service, it is not the guarantee of the result, because also it's very important to show yourself in a proper way. So why do they talk to you? Why are you the best, the most, let's say, the best matching service provider for them, right? And what sequence do you use to create this trust with them? So even if you find the right leads, it's very good, but also it's very important to show yourself in a certain way and to create trust with a certain sequence of messages. And if you want to do it, if you want to get the results for your solutions, please fill in the form. Just describe, who do you need? Who are your clients? Where do you want to go? which result do you want to achieve. And after that, you can book a meeting with our team and we can create a strategy for you. After this strategy, you will see, if you can do it yourself, it's perfect. Do it yourself and get these contracts, get these high leads, top leads and hot leads, get it for yourself. It's pretty good. Or you can decide, okay, I see it's a lot of work to do. Actually, it is. And you can ask us to do that if you match with our conditions. It can be a really good case because we can give you leads with a financial guarantee of the results. So, do you want hot leads? No problem. Fill in the form, get a meeting, find the strategy, and choose the best and the shortest way to grow your and even to scale your business much faster. Happy to see you soon and have a good new big clients next time. See you. Bye.